The Security Assured team are experts in commercial fire and security systems. With a wide range of advanced technological solutions on offer, including CCTV, access control systems, intruder and fire alarms, they have all the qualifications, experience and knowledge to install and maintain these systems in any type of premises. They also offer equipment auditing services and fire risk assessments, so they can make practical and cost-effective recommendations to ensure buildings are secure and compliant with regulations. We join them to discuss some of their recent projects and how they can help facilities teams. How has Security Assured developed since it started?
I started Security Assured in 2017. I was an engineer myself. I then wanted to grow the company very quickly, so I reached out to a business partner who I had on within a year. We then gained the NSI accreditation within 6 months of having my business partner on board. We then decided to push things further by getting an office, getting people involved, and it's just evolved since then. Everyone we work with is someone I have dealt with in the industry previously. These are people I trust, and it's clearly shown that it has worked.
What does the future hold for Security Assured, and what type of organisations are you keen to work with?
So Security Assured are a young company, traditionally working with contractors, but looking to sort of branch out into different avenues of work and work-related relationships. Specifically, we're looking to talk to facilities management companies about how we can become subcontractors to them, offering all the services that we offer, so fire alarms, security alarms, access control, CCTV, maintenance, service contracts, all the pre-planned maintenance that we can offer as well. That's the way I see our company going forward. We're happy to talk to anybody about the work that they can offer us. We're looking to be able to offer a national coverage soon. At the moment we are sort of concentrating a little bit in London and the South East, but that will be changing quite soon, so that we'll be offering a more nationwide service. Really exciting company to work for, young, dynamic, have that personal touch, but please, I'd like people to be reaching out to me about what we can offer to them. We're not a faceless organisation, we're very much an organisation that wants to be able to help you and move forward as a relationship.
You've worked with some household names. Can you tell us more about some of these projects?
So since we've started, we have predominantly been very project heavy, hence why we've started reaching out into the FM world. In the last 3 years, we have done a lot of projects under a company called Paul L, who have given us a lot of work commercially and in retail. Retail being Waitrose, who they work very closely with. We were very happy to do four installations of brand new fire systems for them last year, which went very well. They also have got us involved with some very big projects in the city. Also, we've got some other clients, such as the Holiday Inn, who we are installing all life safety, fire alarm, CCTV, disabled refuge. We also work for the councils, which has been very nice for us to get involved with. We do believe we are a growing name that's being thrown about currently in amongst a few London boroughs, which is nice. We've also recently worked on the Hoxton Hotel, which is a big chain of hotels worldwide, where we've installed an access control system to suit their needs, which links to every system they have around the world. This was a very nice project for us to be involved in. All our project work that we've undertaken can all be viewed on our website. We keep a very nice portfolio to show to our new clients.
What options do you offer for organisations that don't want to compromise the aesthetic of their building?
We can install anything in any new builds or old build. We know the problems people have with the Grade 2 listed buildings, so we can cater for any needs, whether it be wireless fire systems, wireless access control, wireless CCTV. So we can cater for most things this day that all meet British standards and regulations.
What technologies have become more popular since the pandemic started?
One thing we have started installing now, and what we've seen a big rise in, obviously due to COVID and the pandemic, is a lot of things needing to be touchless. So we now offer a great range of touchless push-to-exit buttons, hands-free answering for intercoms, video intercoms, and also the CCTV that we now install obviously can cater for reading your body temperature. One of our main things, what we get asked for access control in office blocks, is making sure they know who's coming in and out of the building. So everything we install can offer that range remotely to whoever, to say who is in and out of that building at all times. And touching back on, because of COVID, we now offer QR code readers that essentially send a signal to your mobile phone, where you can now touch yourself in without even having to gain a card or touch a card. So you're only touching your own phone.
How often should FMs audit their equipment to ensure that it's up to date and fit for purpose?
We're seeing more and more facility management companies not having the right information fed back to them by their incumbent companies, such as asset lists of what's been installed, when it was last serviced, and is the building up to regulations, essentially. We can offer free surveys. We can get guys in to make the asset list for them, and also we now can produce it all, upload it all to a portal, what makes it 10 times easier. So there is an audit trail for everything that we do.
What accreditations have you been awarded, and why are these important?
Security Assured are NSI Gold accredited, both by Gold accredited. We are also Health and Safety accredited by Safe Contractor, CHAS, and we also have a Cyber Essential accreditation. These are very important to us, meaning that we can sign anything off, and we will make sure that everything we sign off is compliant. We get audited twice a year for these accreditations, so they are very important to us.